Okay, so this is a short video on using these save you a lot of time and embarrassment and frustration. If you ever have a door with a hole in there already, or you lose your drill bit, it's near enough impossible to recut that hole in a door at a bigger size. So today's little trick, I'm going to show you how to get past that. Probably with like $1 worth of tools, maybe scrap you have laying around, and super simple. So I'll just show you how to do it right away. So hang tight. All right, so on the little test bench here, what we have is a simulated door hole for your lock assembly, smaller. And we need to put something in there like this. So we need to go over that hole. But because that hole's already in there, the drill, even if you did have a drill on this, it won't center in here, and this just wobbles like crazy. So what we need to do first is take a scrap piece of wood, and we need to just draw a 45 and a 45. It's on a scrap piece of wood, like that. Now we just need to cut this little piece out right here. Then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so we have this 45 just cut in a piece of wood. Now what you need to do is try and kind of make like a little bit of a center line over the hole that you're doing. Or you can eye it up, it's totally up to you. And then what we do is we put this piece of wood over here, and then we just put this on top. So that center line allows me to see through the top or over the outside of this to kind of eye it up. Then all you do, put pressure against here. And once it's started, you can get rid of it. And then we have ourselves the new hole. So super easy, just make a little V. As long as the scrap piece of wood you're using is thick enough to cradle your new bit or your new hole saw going in. Like I say, if you're doing this on the front door, you can just load it up there. You can put a clamp on that part if you want to help. That probably would help. Maybe put another piece of scrap wood behind it just to protect the clamp not digging into your door. So kind of like sandwich it like an Oreo. And just take your time. Like I said, it only takes 2 seconds to do it. A piece of scrap wood save you a heck of a lot of time trying to fumble with trying to put a bigger hole in a smaller hole. So hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. I don't know. I don't know how those things work, but if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, and look forward to the next one. See ya.